What's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, back so soon. Yes, I am, and I'm doing back to back ride along fragrances. This one, I'm doing a ride along with this here, Ice, Hawas Ice. So I'm trying to see which one is a better one. What did I do yesterday? I did Aquatica yesterday. Do Ice today. Again, we're gonna have another hot day. It's supposed to be like, I think maybe about 102 degrees today. So yeah, I am ready to rock out to this. This is Ice. Let's go ahead and put the sprays. I'm gonna spray there. Spray heavy too, because we're supposed to have another hot day. And I want to see if this one pushes out the way the other one did, or it lasts long. I'm gonna spray my shirt too. So I'll spray there and spray there, and I'll spray like on this little small part there. So at the end of the day, if it's gone off my skin, I can still smell it on the actual shirt to see if I need to spray it all over the shirt. All right, so jumping right into it. Right now it is 12:17, and the temperature, what is the temperature? Right now it is 95 degrees. Yeah, it's 95 degrees right now. So, all right, let's check this out. Let's see how this ride along does. I'm gonna push it out a little bit longer. So let's see how I do. Roll with me. Hey, what's going on? So I am doing a check-in. It's that time to check in, and right now it is 2:06, and you can see it is 99 degrees outside. Feels a lot hotter, but we're not gonna go into that again. So right now the fragrance has gotten a little bit closer to the skin. I still feel it, like it feels like a small bubble, like maybe 6 inches or something like that around me, and I can smell it slightly. Not like it's not like projecting like crazy like it was in the beginning when I first sprayed it on. Man, that sharp citrus was bright, it was sharp, and it jumps off your skin early. But it's gotten a little bit closer, it's calmed down a lot, it feels a lot better actually. It still has that almost like a watery vibe to it. It smells really good. I appreciate it. It's smelling good. I think it's going to do okay today, but like I said, it's hot. And what I'm going to do, I'm getting ready to hit to the gym, and you know how I do. When I go to the gym, I might end up sweating it all out, but we are going to push through just in case it does not. So keep rolling with me, and let's see how this thing do. Doing a check-in. Whew. Oh boy. Surprisingly, I can still smell the fragrance a little bit. It is muted, but I can still smell it. I'm not sure if it's jumping off my skin or anything. I can't feel a sea ox around me. but it's not hard for me to, like, I don't have to dig my nose into my arm to smell it. Oh, right now it is 4:18 and it is 100 degrees, if that's coming in. And it is, oh, you better get out the road. Oh my goodness. Not a possum, but a beaver looked like was in the road. Oh boy, but he got out the way. I ain't hit him. But so the fragrance has gotten a lot closer to my skin, obviously, because I've been sweating a lot. Like I did a lot of high intensity type workouts today, so I was sweating a lot. I just didn't film a whole lot of it. So I'm surprised it's still on, but it's doing all right. It's working out. So I will keep rolling with this, and I'll do another check-in, or I'll wrap it up a little bit later. All right, keep rolling with me. All right, folks. All right, it's time to wrap this up. This fragrance has done well, but I have to say, because I went out and I was sweating a lot in the gym, it has pretty much faded off my skin. I can smell it slightly, like if I dig my nose into it, I can smell it slightly. But the time has gotten really late. It's 7:13 now, and the temperature now is 88 degrees now. So it's done pretty good. All right, so let's go. The fragrance way over there. Ice. This has been pretty good, and the thing is, it has this apple and lemon opening mixed together, and it smells almost to the point where it's like a sharp kind of vibe, but it's not really sharp. It's just a fragrance that would get attention, and people would like the smell of it. And man, it smells so good. And the thing is, even though it's faded on my skin a little bit, on the shirt, remember I sprayed this corner part of the shirt, I can smell it. I can smell it pretty good. And it's not like it's like projecting, but when I turn my head to side, I can catch a whiff of it. So if I was to spray my, my shirt and everything, I still would probably be projecting pretty goodly. So ice, let's go with find out what these notes are. The notes for ice, and this was released, I think it was 2024. Was it 24? No, this was released in 2023. So Hawas ice, it's been pretty good. I think it may be a little bit stronger than yesterday's Aquatica, but I'm not sure. Maybe a little bit, because right now, like I said, it's 7:15, so it's been about 7 hours. I think I did the Aquatica a little bit longer than that, but that's neither here nor there. But for the top notes for ice, top notes are apple, Italian lemon, Sicilian bergamot, and star anise. Star anise is it. You can pick that up too in the background of the scent. The middle notes are plum and orange blossom and cardamom. Then in the base notes we have musk, amber, driftwood, and moss. So it worked out really good today, man. I was surprised that it actually stuck on my skin after I did all that working out and running and sweating and everything. It did pretty good. It was actually pretty strong. So I'm gonna say maybe, even though Aquatica I had that on maybe a little longer as far as the hours go, but I think this one probably performed a little bit better, like a stronger bottle. If you have the original Hawas, the regular one with just a regular blue bottle, the first one, it smells similar to this, except for this one has that plum and I think it's the apple mixed with the lemon. It just gives it a little bit sharper. They're not identical. So if you have one, you can have both of them, because They don't smell exactly the same, but they're similar in situation. I guess all of the Hawases are somewhat similar in some chord or somewhere. Some, it's not. They don't smell exactly the same, but you can tell that they're related. So yeah, it worked out good for me. I'm glad. I'm glad to have this in my stack. But look at the dent on this. I just got this last year, man, and I wore this a lot when me and my son went on a cruise. I wore this a lot, and I got a lot of compliments with this one, and I think it was the Apple Teeny that I got a lot of compliments with. But yeah, all right, that's been the day. Another day, 2 for 2, back to back, ride along fragrances. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're with me talking about Hawas ice. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Um, good fragrance. If you have a chance, pick it up. It's a good one. It's a safe buy. All right. Till next time, it's boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.